Hey guys, PMHK here. So this has been the situation for the past 5 days. Okay, I lie. For the past 10 days. So I'm renovating the room. That's why I haven't really been uploading much lately. But I decided to make a quick video log for you guys to know what's going on. So this is the room, how the room is looking right now. That's my normal daily chair. That's where I sit and edit most of the videos. And that's my laptop. That's what I also use to make the videos. I don't really use that rig much. I'm the one who actually built that PC, which I actually have to go and clean it up. I'll show you guys how I normally clean this PC. I normally clean it every year. So these are the drawers. This is also part of the desk. This is my desk's table, or the countertop of the table. This is actually a really cheap desk that I built myself. Imagine, this thing cost me around this one cost me around 200 rand if I'm not mistaken. And then you have these things that I hooked up from the old kitchen, and I also built that one for like maybe 100 rand. And then this is also what sits in the corner of the table, where I have most of the rubbish, tech, call it whatever you want to call. And that's my broken propeller. I have to throw this away. Where's the dustbin? Dustbin. So iPhone 6 on the floor. That's my watch. I'm actually headed to gym, so I'm gonna need my watch. I'm gonna leave this phone behind. I'm using the iPhone 10 for today, and this is where my clothes are, and the sneakers are down there. As you guys can see, I have a couple of NMDs out there. I have this one, I have that one, I have that one, I have the Ultra Boost I'm wearing, and I have these guys that I wear when it's really cold, and other shoes. I actually, as I was painting the room, I was painting on top yesterday. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put a second coat or not, but this is what I was painting yesterday. The day before yesterday, I painted the doors. I think they're actually going to need a second coat. Yeah, they're gonna need a second coat. I painted these doors, and I also painted the window itself. And last week, I was busy with the walls. And this is where I'm actually sleeping. Normally I just lift the bed, put it on the side, do the painting, and put it back down. This is the Philips Hue, one of the Philips Hue bulb I have around the house. This is the one I have in the room. Unfortunately, I don't have the Alexa or the Amazon Echo here in the room, so I kind of use my phone to control the lights if I can't reach there. It's either I control it from there or I reach into my phone. Let's look for the Hue app. I want to make what's on my iPhone 10 video soon, so stay tuned for that video. So I just switch into the app. This is male bedroom, living room. This is the living room light, and this is the male bedroom. So I just switch into the app at night. I either dim the light or I just go on and turn it off and sleep, obviously. So yeah, this is what's been going on here. Now I'm gonna head to the gym, and I'll talk to you guys later. So, been back from the gym for quite a while now, and I passed by the guys in Bruma, and I bought a light. Now, if any of you has been to my place, the house that I live in, you'll realize that there's a lot of lighting. Like, the house at night gets very bright, and that's because I love lighting. So for shooting my videos, or to shoot my videos, my YouTube videos, especially when I'm in a kitchen, the light is still not enough. So I have to use my soft boxes to light up my scenes. So I want to try this new light because this one is a 40-watt light, cost me 120 rand, and the lights that I have in here are kinda, if I'm not mistaken, 9 watts each. So this one is probably gonna produce more lights than than the whole cluster of lights that I have here, and it will make my videos look better. I think in terms of quality, obviously, because I'm trying to improve my videos. I'm always trying to improve the videos. So right now I'm focusing on the lights. I'm gonna try and change all the lights, and then we'll probably move to the sound, because there's a little bit of echo when I'm shooting in the kitchen and other places around the house. Now, this can all blow up in my face, my big face, or it can actually produce a better light than those little guys down there. So let's plug it in and hopefully I'm going to win at this. So it kind of seems to be working. Now I don't know if this light, let's turn it around. I don't know if the light is brighter than all of those other ones together. As I said, this one is a 40 watts. This doesn't look like a 40 watts. And this one here is a 9 watts. I'm satisfied with one light. Maybe if I buy 3 more, I'll have 3 times 160 watts, if I'm not mistaken, of power compared to those 9 times 4. And I should have better lighting for my videos. So before any of you guys ask, I'm going to show you guys, if in case any of you asks, I'm going to show you guys what's inside my gym training bag. You can call this a what's inside my gym training bag video. I think that's gonna be the title for this video anyways. So in number 1 we have my dirty towel. It's actually kind of stinking now. I need to get it washed. Elisa! Vem na janela. In number 2 we have my oldest gym gloves. They are kinda been through a lot, as you guys can see. Let me just put it on and show you guys what's going on here. So my 2 fingers actually stick out, and the thumb is also already going, and yeah, you can see it's been through a lot. And the third item is skipping rope. We all use skipping ropes. And moving on to the tech side of things, we have a power bank. I always keep a power bank inside the bag in case I forget to charge either my headphones or my phone, and yeah, just to be on the safe side. And that's a power bank. This is the Romos power bank. At least this time I got it right. Romos, not Rosmos. Romos power bank Solo 3. This is a 6000 milliamp battery. It's quite tiny and compatible. That's why I actually keep it on my bag, because it's the smaller one I have. The other one I have is kind of big, and it's a 10,000 milliamp. And number 2 we have my Sony headphones. These Sony headphones are noise cancelling headphones. That's why I have it. I normally also use these guys to edit when I'm not using the AirPod, and they're quite loud. They actually produce quite nice sound. My phone is going off. They produce nice sound, and they keep me in the zone while I'm exercising if I'm not using the AirPods. So I'm gonna have a link, or I'm just gonna put, I'm gonna put links in the description so that you guys can actually maybe go check these guys out if you are interested in it. But these ones, I bought them from Amazon, for $120 if I'm not mistaken. That's around 1,500 rands. Quite affordable, good quality as well. And last but not least, I have 3 items. One is my membership card, not a sponsored video. The third one is my car keys, and oh, I still have this guy here. This guy is the one I was using to hold my phone with a little tripod. And I have the AirPods. I made a video about the AirPods a couple of weeks ago. If you guys haven't checked that video out, go check the video out. There isn't much to say about these guys. Good quality. I wish they had noise cancelling. They can get lost quite easily, and the price is a bit cheap, but they all round worthwhile. So that will be it for this what's on my gym bag video. And the bag itself is a Tommy Hilfiger bag. Hilfiger. He has a figure of a hill. Tommy Hilfiger bag, which I got as a present from my brother, if I'm not mistaken. I actually hooked up something inside just to keep it straight up, but it's an old bag, so it's already getting damaged. And yeah, stay tuned for when I buy my new gym bag. I'm also gonna make a video about it. If you guys want to see a video about that, just let me know in the comments. So that's it for what's in my bag video. Now let's get a close-up and let's talk about a giveaway that I'm running right now. So for the giveaway, actually I have a giveaway on Instagram that's running until this coming Saturday, the 20-something of January. I'm not sure when it's going to be. And I'm also gonna run another giveaway right here, the same amount. I'm giving a 250 Rand take-a-lot voucher on Instagram. I'm gonna be giving another one, 250 Rand take-a-lot voucher here on YouTube. All you gotta do to win that voucher is be subscribed to the channel, leave a comment on why should I give it to you, and that's about it. So thanks a lot for watching this video. It was just a random video. I decided to wake up and make a video. Nothing planned. I just went as the day took me. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We make videos every week. And hit that like button if you like that video, and join the notification gang. If you don't know where or what the notification gang is the couple of people that are subscribed to this channel and get notification as soon as I upload a video like on this one. So if you're only watching this video 3 weeks from now, you miss everything. You missed the giveaway, you missed actually that's all you missed. You missed the giveaway and the cool video actually. So I'll check you guys on the next one. Peace.